Litpol Link, a bridge to the west. Did you know that Lithuania and Poland have more than 630 years of common history? This count starts from the day when Jogaila, the son of the Lithuanian Grand Duke Algirdas, became the King of Poland. Lithuania's energy history is dated to the 19th century, when the country started to develop its energy system under the Russian rule. The current system was determined by the Soviet Union's control and isolation from developing Europe, which lasted for 50 years. At the turn of the 21st century, Lithuania regained its independence and became a member of the European Union. However, Lithuania is still dependent on the energy sources from the east. How can we change this? The joint Lithuanian-Polish company Litpol Link was set up in 2008. It was tasked with a challenge to build a power interconnection with Western Europe, the first of its kind in Lithuanian history. An agreement on working out models for financing and operating the interconnection was signed in 2010. Route studies and an environmental impact assessment were carried out, and Lithuania and Poland held lively interstate consultations. Lithuanian and Polish interconnection Litpol Link is a high-voltage overhead electricity transmission line, which will connect substations of Elk in Poland and Alytus in Lithuania. Approximately 50 kilometers of the line will be on Lithuanian territory, and the line will continue for nearly 100 kilometers in Poland. The 150-kilometer line should start operating at a capacity of 500 megawatts at the end of 2015. And 5 years on, in 2020, reach a capacity of up to 1,000 megawatts. The project will cost nearly 1.3 billion litas. The work of building the power interconnection in the territories of Lithuania and Poland should be finished before 2014, and 1 year on transformer substations are expected to be renovated, which will make it possible to harmonize the operation of different Lithuanian and Polish electricity systems. The interconnection will be put into operation in December of 2015. Litpol Link will allow Lithuania and other Baltic states to integrate into the Western European electricity network and electricity market.
Tai yra mūsų galimybė įsilieti arba įsijungti į kontinentinės Europos elektros sistemą. Taip sakant, būti sujungtais ir infrastruktūrinė prasme, tai yra turėti įjungti, tai yra sujungtais rinkinė prasme, prekiauti su kontinentinė Europa, bet taip pat, kas yra svarbu ir ką reikia pabrėžti, būti sistemos valdymo prasme europinėje sistemoje, nes šiuo metu, kai mes kalbame, mūsų valdymo sistema yra bendros Rusijos valdymo sistemos dalis. Kitaip sakant, pastačius vieną jungtį, galbūt kitą į Lenkiją, turėsim galimybę perjungti valdymą į europinį režimą.
Today, we are building a power bridge to the west. But do you know that another power interconnection will be built to connect Lithuania with Northern Europe?